How do you manage your Terraform state file? Imagine building a complex Lego set and losing track of where each piece goes. Managing your Terraform state file is just like keeping that Lego organized. It's the key to making sure your cloud infrastructure matches your plans. When working with cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud, keeping your state file safe and accurate is essential. It tracks what resources you've created and how they relate to your code. If you don't manage it well, you risk resource conflicts, errors, or even losing track of what's deployed. The first step is to store your state file remotely. Instead of keeping it on your local machine, use cloud storage options like Amazon S3, Azure Blob Storage, or Google Cloud Storage. These platforms are reliable and allow your whole team to access the state file securely. For even better control, connect your remote storage with a locking mechanism. For example, when using Amazon S3, you can set up to lock the state during updates. This prevents multiple people from changing the file at the same time, which could cause conflicts or corruption. Encryption is also a must. Your state file might contain sensitive data like resource IDs or metadata. Use the encryption features of your cloud storage to keep this information safe, both when stored and during transfer. Setting strict access controls is equally important. Only authorized team members should be able to read or modify the state file. This way, you reduce the risk of accidental or malicious changes. Versioning your remote storage is another smart move. If something goes wrong, you can roll back to a previous version of your state file. This helps recover from mistakes or corruption. It's best to keep separate state files for different environments like development, staging, and production. This way, changes in one environment won't accidentally affect others. You can do this by configuring different backend keys or paths for each environment. Never manually edit the state file. It's a JSON document that can easily become corrupted if changed by hand. Instead, use Terraform commands like Terraform state to safely modify or inspect the state. This keeps everything consistent and prevents errors. When working with automation pipelines, make sure your CI/CD system can access the state file and that locking is enabled. This prevents race conditions when multiple processes run at once. Finally, avoid storing secrets directly in the state file. Use Terraform's sensitive attribute for outputs and connect your setup with secret management tools. This keeps sensitive data out of your infrastructure code and reduces security risks. By following these steps, you can keep your Terraform state file secure, accurate, and easy to manage. This approach makes your cloud infrastructure predictable, safe, and ready for growth. Proper state management is a foundation for successful DevOps automation and infrastructure as code practices.